Hello, my name is Yihong Xiao. Originally from China, I have my bachelor's degree in math education and a PhD in mathematics with research area in discrete mathematics. I will be teaching you history of mathematics. This class is half math and half history. For the history part, I will ask you to read each chapter and write a summary. And for the math part, I made video lectures and post on Blackboard under each week. So you will watch the video lectures and follow the examples in the video and do the homework. So when you read each chapter, you don't have to spend a lot of time on the math part because that will be explained in the video. So you will just need to read through the whole chapter and summarize the main points in the chapter. And so the main assignments for this class, each week you will have 3 assignments. So if you go to week 1, you will see a reading report. That's what you'd write about 650 words summarizing the chapter and mainly history part. And homework assignment, you watch the video and you do the homework assignments, homework problems, and question and short answer. So you usually can read the book. After you read the chapter, you should be able to find the answer in the chapter, and just a few sentences. So for each week from week 1 through week 12, that's what you need to do. I'm sorry, from week 1 to week 11. And in week 12, you will have assignment called Diversity Catalog. What you need to do in this assignment is there will be 6 different subjects in mathematics. So, for example, number theory and algebra and geometry and calculus and so on. So for each subject, you need to find a mathematician in this area, a non-Caucasian mathematician, and answer some questions. So that's what diversity catalog is. So that's your assignment for week 12. And last 2 weeks of the class, week 13 and week 14, you will need to write a final essay. So about math theory or mathematician, about 2,500 words. So these are the main assignments about this class. So as you can see, this class has a lot of reading and writing you have to do. So I do believe that for the math class, you do have to know both parts, the history part and the math part. So you understand how the mathematicians came up with those math problems and how did they solve the problems. It's also very important for you to understand the history part. Okay, so that's the grading scales here, and each homework is about 10 points. One of them is 5 points, and each reading report is 10 points, and question and answer 3 points. Diversity catalog 25 points, and essay 60 points. So you can find other information about this class here. So actually, for each assignment, you will also find the requirements under each week. So if you don't want to go through the rest of it here, reading report, homework assignment, diversity catalog, and final essay, if you don't want to look at the details in the syllabus, you can actually find all of these under each week. So the requirements, how to write a final essay. Okay, so that's the assignments about this class. So if you can decide if you want to take the class or not. And if you're not big fan of reading or and writing, so this may not be a very good choice for you. And there is an option that you can do. So instead of after reading, instead of writing a report, you can actually do a presentation like what I'm doing right now. So this the tips of how to do the presentation is given under tips and techniques. And what you need to do is you may not need to write a detailed report like this one, also posted under tips and techniques. You will just need to um, have bullets about the main points of the chapter, but you do need to talk about it. So you need to do about a 10 to 15 minutes presentation, but you do need to cover everything I listed under each chapter. So that's another option that you can do if you don't like reading reports each week. But from the past teaching experience, that most of students did writing because the presentation may actually take you longer time to do. So that's another option that you can do. Instead of writing a report, you would give a presentation and record it and post a link on Blackboard so I can grade it. So if you have any questions, you can send an email to shaoy@ohio.edu. I usually will email you back the same day or the next day. And if you're from Southern Campus, you can come to my office if you have any questions. Otherwise, you just always send me an email. Okay, so that's everything about the class. And